In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make stylish fonts on Instagram bio. Keep watching this video until the end, and before you get into the video, subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notifications for more interesting videos similar to this. Now, in order to add in stylish fonts to your Instagram bio, you'll need a third-party application. So for that, open up a web browser and then search for LingoJam. After you search that, you need to enter the first website, which is lingojam.com. You'll land on this page. Now you'll need to type in the bio that you want to add into your Instagram. You can type in anything, and as soon as you do that, you can see all of the different kind of fonts start to appear on the bottom. You can scroll down and pick your favorite one, tap and hold on the one that you like, and then tap on copy. Now you can head to Instagram, and in the profile section, tap on edit profile. Remove your current bio and then paste in the one that you just copied. Tap on the tick mark on the top right, and you can see that the stylish font now has been added to your bio on Instagram. If you guys liked and found this video useful, make sure to share, subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.